real deep.
Ameren, Illinois gas crews are here this evening in O'Fallon on Greenmount Road. We are actually we had a third-party natural gas dig in, caused a little bit of a leak. Came out here today, made the area safe and secure for the businesses along this area. None of the customers were in danger. And right now, crews are going to be working into the evening to replace a section of natural gas pipeline. They're going to bore a new hole from one side of Greenmount Road to the other side, tie it in, and restore natural gas services to the customers in this area.